We got more parts in. Let's go. What's poppin'? So you know we're back with Just Build It, Jay from Wolfpack Performance, all that good stuff. So listen, check this out. We got new parts in, and this is gonna be a constant thing as far as new things coming in, things getting put on the car, all of that good stuff. And today I'm a little excited about this. Not a little excited, I am excited about this because this is a part that goes in the interior, but completely rejuvenates your ECU housing by MPC, of course. So first off, we got some more hardware that we will have implemented into the build. We'll put that over there. We got a nice little nylon screw right here, so that should tell you what we're dealing with as far as ECU. We got some good parts from MPC. They always put some good goodies in your bag. And another bolt that I'm pretty sure, oh, they sent this one back. This is the bolt I sent in order for them to make the bolts for the calipers. So now we have the caliper bolts. We went ahead and got the pitch right. So now we can replace those, put these on the new Harsh Times calipers. And this bolt is, you know, I really thank MPC for this. They bag it up as if it's something they're sending to you with care. And this is just a spare bolt that they use to get the metrics off. But this baby right here, is what I am excited to really open up, for sure. I want to be very careful when I open this. I don't want to put a scratch on it. So let me catch a little divot area right here. Oh my goodness, I'm excited to get this out of here. Oh my gosh. This is, I want to still open it so I can put it back into this protective covering, hopefully. The bubble wrap. Oh, actually, oh, I have to do it like that. That works. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is the new ECU housing. Look at that. Just take a look at that. Oh, I cannot wait to put the ECU in this housing, and it's going to be clearly visible. Data access is right here, a nice covered up port, whereas you know on typically our ECU housing, it's a notched out area. Somebody's notched it out with a Ziz wheel or a Dremel, and it's pretty squared up, but this now access port is actually covered to keep dust more out of there. Your other ports will go right here. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful piece. You know, yo, MPC, I can't say enough about them as far as their quality, their attention to detail, the things that they offer us in the culture for our builds, the way that they listen to us about things that may need to be developed for our builds. But this piece right here is that one. This is that one. We're gonna get some images so you can see this up close and in person, because I am absolutely in awe of this. I cannot wait to get the Honda, the ECU in there with the lighting in there. This is really gonna set off into the cabin area of the car. And this, of course, because gold, it will be on black. So we'll wait a little bit for that to kind of, you know, elaborate on how that's gonna go. So that's it. That's all. I just wanted to show you this wonderful piece that's coming in and update you, because I think this is an area most people don't really go into that much, and I think it's something that you need to start thinking about. And the reason why most people don't is because it's behind your kick panel. But if you watch my other YouTube video, I show you a way to accent your ECU, still having your kick panel in place, but bringing some life to that area, especially if you have a Honda unit, something with a lot of blinking LEDs. Why not expose that? All right, that's another one. Peace. Thanks for tuning in and watching another video here at Wolfpack Performance. Check out some of my other content on Formula One issues, our topics, and our DIY products on how to customize your vehicle. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.